Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. Here's like the original image. Isn't it kind of creepily cute? So yeah, it's Baby Yoda, I think. Um, but yeah, this is from YZHI and Amazon. This is actually a product review, so I got sent to do a product review for this for free. And it's at 25 by 35 with a poured glue adhesive, round drills, and there are DMCs, and there are only 20 colors on this. So yeah, YZHI contacted me again and asked if I wanted to do another product review. And since they were the first people to ever contact me to do a product review, I was kind of like, and I didn't have any issues with my previous one. I was like, sure. I'm not familiar with the image content. Yeah, but sometimes you need variety, and plus it is actually kind of cute for like a gremlin looking thing. I know it's Yoda, but it looks very gremlin-like to me. So I am gonna use these 28 container grid container storage things. I did just buy like a 10-pack of this, so I have actually not used this container yet, so hopefully I won't have any issues with it. The drills came in this, what do you call that, strip packaging, and yeah, so let's get on with the oh wait, I didn't actually make labels for this, so I did just seriously like a minute ago just unbox this. I will post the unboxing with the completion, but since I haven't had this for a while, I didn't actually scan the legend, and since this one actually has two legends, I am going to just cut this out and then make labels from it. So since I normally just cut out my diamond paintings after I'm done, I'm not really concerned about keeping all of this extra canvas. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this out and use it to make my labels with my label maker. I typically will just scan it and make labels from the scan, but yeah, I seriously just unboxed this and since it is a product review, I do actually want to, I feel like a product review, you have to actually complete it because it's not a real review until it's done. So yeah, I'm just going to, oh, can I fit two of them? Can I be like thrifty and, wait, what is 10? It's up to the U. Okay. Okay, I had to pause there a little bit because I accidentally cut myself when I cut this in half. So yeah, I had to bandage myself. You might not have even noticed if I didn't even mention it. But yeah, I'm going to make stickers from these. Trying to not use up all of my tape, so I did do that cut it in half thing. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this should have made my canvas into stickers. Hopefully, this is actually the first time I've tried using the canvas in my sticker maker, but we'll see, right? So they aren't as easy to cut out as paper, so I can't use the tip of my cutting, but don't know if this is faster than me just scanning it, but because it is harder to cut because the canvas is much thicker. But I guess I already started, so this is how it's gonna be. Okay. See, now I'm pondering if I should make the effort and put these in alphabetical order, but I think I'm just going to keep them as is, just for the interest of the kitting down. It'll be easier if they're in DMC order. Okay, I think I'm just going to do the first half because there is actually very little excess in the middle. So I'll cut the rest after I'm done doing the first bunch. So first number. Okay, where is number 1? So 310. So I did say I haven't really watched the subject, the Baby Yoda. I think it's from, is it The Mandalorian? And yeah, I don't have Disney Plus. I do have, between my sister and I, we share a Hulu, Amazon Prime, and Netflix account, but no, we don't have a Disney Plus account. I actually thought of getting it at some point, but then I didn't. I don't know, I don't even know if we watch, like, what we currently have enough to make it worth it. But yeah, if anyone does have Disney Plus and be like, no, you're missing out on so much, let me know. But yeah, I mean, I barely could keep up with all the new stuff. Like, I'm actually surprised there is as much new stuff getting posted onto, like, Hulu and, not Hulu, and Netflix and stuff like that, just because, like, did they have a large amount recorded pre-COVID, or are they just still, like, doing a lot of recording even with the whole COVID? But there is still a lot of content being put out, so, which is surprising. But yeah, I have not watched. Okay, so it was the original Star Wars movie, came out before I was born, before I was born. I think they came out in the 70s, right? So yeah, that was before I was born. And then my parents never really watched it growing up either, so I never watched Star Wars. So the first actual Star Wars movie I watched were the new ones that, I guess it's the prequel, not the most recent ones, the prequel, the ones that were named episode 1, 2, and 3. I actually watched all of those, and I know people give them, like, bad reviews, but I actually enjoyed them. And then I actually did watch episode 4, which I didn't enjoy as much. Like, maybe I'm spoiled and the special effects aren't as good as, obviously they're not as good as they are now, and I just kind of found the special effects on that kind of cheesy. But yeah, so I never ended up watching episode 5 and 6, and then I never ended up watching the new ones that came out recently, the what is it, 7, 8, and 9. I haven't watched those, so I would probably enjoy them if I watched them, but for some reason I just never did. Like, so I mean, people seem to, I don't know if is Baby Yoda a very entertaining character, or is it I just see all the pictures of it just because it's cute. I don't know. But it is cute. Or he is cute. Is it bad for me to say it? But yeah, it is a cute character looking thing. So, man, if anyone who's watching this is like a really big Star Wars fan, they're probably like, what is this lady talking about? But yeah. Like I said, I have no concept of this character other than what was in episodes 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is a very cute image, so you can still diamond paint things just because it's a cute image. I mean, I diamond paint flowers and I don't even know what flower they are. So yeah, that's pretty much, like, I have zero real knowledge of Star Wars. I probably would enjoy the new ones that came out in the 2010s, probably more than the ones that I kind of couldn't watch, the ones that were made in the 70s or the 80s. But yeah, I think I'm just spoiled with how good special effects are now, that when you go back and watch older ones, it just doesn't seem as awesome. Even though probably at the time it was super, like, ahead of their times. But yeah, I might just be spoiled with how stuff looks now. So yeah, I mean, I usually enjoy the sci-fi genre, but yeah, I think it was just, yeah, the special effects were cheesy, so I had to stop watching. But I should go watch, like, yeah. It's like those things that you're like, I should go watch it, but you don't end up watching it. I think actually, like, just having so much available content actually ends up like overwhelming you, so that you don't end up wanting to watch it just because there's so much other things to watch too. But yeah, we'll see in the future if I'll ever watch whatever this is part of. Yes, I know it's Baby Yoda. I'm not that. I think it's part of the show, what, The Mandalorian. Is it The Mandalorian, or is it part of the new the ones that are coming, that came out in the 2010s? And I should just watch them at some point. Maybe I should just get Disney Plus just to watch all the Star Wars ones. Because I mean, I had contemplated getting Disney Plus just because I really do like the Marvel movies. And I like rewatching them. And I figure all the Marvel movies are in there now, because doesn't Disney own like everything now? They own the Marvel, they own the Star Wars franchise. So just think of all the what they call that, binge watching movies. They're not even like binge watching TV. They're like continuous movies I could watch. But yeah, no, I still have a hard time just finishing all the stuff that I currently watch. And I've actually been more into audiobooks, especially with the whole diamond painting thing, so it's just, it doesn't distract you from diamond painting, so you can get more done. Okay, this one actually got to the 3000s really quickly. There's actually very few numbers pre-3000. There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers pre-3000. So this one has a lot of the late DMC numbers. Okay, have to finish cutting. So yeah, since I am doing this as a review, you should see the completion soonish. I was kind of actually happy to do this review just because for some reason I've just been buying like 40 by 50s and above for some reason. Like, I haven't been buying any of these smaller diamond paintings, and I actually like doing them, but for some reason every time I go and buy, I'm like, that would look great as a 40 by 50, and then I end up buying a 40 by 50 instead of buying a smaller one, which I like doing because they give you that satisfaction of a finish, and I think they're just fun to do, these small ones. So I'm not gonna stop doing the small ones. I'm gonna still do the big ones too, but I'm not gonna stop doing the small ones because I actually really do enjoy doing these small ones. So then when they asked me if I wanted to do another one, I was like, sure, the first one was actually very enjoyable. These small ones are great, especially this one is like 20 colors. It'll be a nice, quick, like more brainless one to do, because I figure with 20 colors, there's going to be a lot more, not necessarily color blocking, but less like changing colors because there's just so few. And since this is not really this is not really a 30 by 40, it's more of a 25 by 30. And those are much smaller than 30 by 40s. Like 30 by 40, if you do 30 times 40 is 1200. So 25 by 35, I think when I multiplied it, it's 875. So that's just how small, like square centimeters it is compared to a 30 by 40. So these 25 by 35s are significantly smaller than a 30 by 40, and you could get done one, you could finish one really quickly. So gives you that, one, I get to kit up more, and two, it gives you that satisfaction of that finish happening. So yeah. So I was like, sure, I'll do it. And plus, like I said, sometimes I need variety. I've been kind of doing a lot of flowers lately, so I was thinking, I was like, yeah, sure. I think there's even like an event in February. You know, I can't keep track of all of these like diamond painting events anymore. Like I guess there's just been so many new creators, and I mean, I'm guilty, I guess. I'm a new creator and there's just so many different like events now. Like each creator, or not each, but some of them are just like, okay, here's this diamond painting event, and here's another diamond painting event. It's hard to keep track. Like, so I've just decided that if I notice it and I have a diamond painting in my stash that's applicable, then I will try to do it. If not, then I won't go buy something for an event. But yeah, I think there is an event about like animals. Was it like Drill a Beast or something during February? I don't think I'll have this up before the end of February, because yeah, this is already February 20 when I'm doing this. Is it February 20? And yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna finish this, or at least post it in time for that event. We'll see. I don't even know if it's like a February event. I just feel like I've seen someone write in Instagram, Drill a Beast and what's it called? What was the other one? Drill a Beast and Scales? Scales or something? I don't know. There was something with Scales. Like I said, there's just so many like events now that it's just hard to keep track of. And I kind of wish someone would just put like a calendar or something of like everyone's different events. But yeah, and I don't know if it's insulting to Yoda. I'm sorry, Yoda, if I called you a beast. But yeah, here it is. That was a very quick one. There were only 20 colors. It fit well into this 28 container. So yeah, look out for, well, whenever you see any of my kitting ups, that just means that the completion is coming up soonish. So yeah, look out for the finish of this and soon. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!